guys, my name is Letty McLeod, owner of the Organic Cleaning Machine. Today I'm going to give you a little tutorial of how to clean tile floor. This is a dark tile floor that looks like a wood, but it's not, it's tile. And I want to show you how we clean this kind of a tile. We're going to use our bucket with soap and water. Please know that we are not mopping the floor because the mop just holds all the dirt. And how do you clean all the dirt from a mop? It's impossible. So we're going to use this bucket, and we're going to do it for sections. We're going to start in this area, and please know that we already vacuumed this area with our small Eureka Almighty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just check that the water doesn't go to the vent where all the air is coming up. So we're going to just pour a little bit of a water. Please know that I'm not splashing it like this, because that's going to splash all over the wall and the baseboard. We're just going to just put it a little bit, and we do this because the area is all open. Now we're going to use first our red brush, which this is all plastic, and it's going to scrub the floor really nice. We do it in a way that the tile is going, and please know that I am standing up on some racks so I don't get any accidents. So we're just scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. You can also use your rag to do some of the scrubbing areas. Don't get close to the baseboard. And after this, you're gonna start pulling the dirty water with your squeegee. You'll start seeing the water start getting really, really dark. It's all the dirt on the water. And after you pull in all the dirty water, you're gonna use some of the rags that you are standing up. You're gonna have more close to you, the rags, and you're gonna just start pouring this in your bucket. Remember, you have to use a lot of the rag because we don't use it a mop. And you're gonna just continue pulling all the water. And then you're gonna start drying the floor. You're gonna put some clean rags and dry. And you're just gonna start drying. After you are drying the floor, these rags are showing you how dirty the floor is. You can use your squeegee to clean some of the baseboard at the same time. This is going to make the floor really, really clean. You're just pulling the dirt from one side to another. After you do this more often, every single time comes easier and easier. This method is also going to help for you so the floor doesn't look smeared or with marks. As this already start drying in this area, you will see how clean it looks. So I really hope that this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and send me whatever questions you have about cleaning your home. We'll see you next time. Call me if you are local of Bloomington Normal, 309-862 4373. We see you next time.